Hello, welcome to Plus Equal. In this tutorial I'll teach you how to create a material in Unity. For that we have a scene here and we'll create a cube. So we can assign a material to this game object. Now we go to the assets folder and we can create a new folder and call it materials to keep things clean. Open that, add inside, create and look for material. Click on material and rename it cube mat. Now we have our properties here for the material we just created. Materials determine how a surface will render. Usually they have a shader. So the first thing we'll see here in these properties is a shader. We'll stand with standard for now, but we have a lot of shaders here to explore. Usually we can add textures into these slots here, these little squares, to give detail to your material, but now we will just create a basic material, a one color material. And talking about the base color of the material, we have the albedo here, that is the main color of the material. At this moment is white. You can see a preview here. So we can change the material color in this little window that will pop up. Let's give it a blue tone. Okay, I like this color. Let's just grab the material into the cube. We can grab it into the scene, okay, like this, or we can grab it and put it in the game object. It's the same thing. If this works, your cube will change its color to the color we have selected. And now we can preview other properties as well. For example, we have the metallic value here. This determines how metallic is the game object. You see in the preview, like for example, if we have a sword, we might want to have the sword with more reflection, right? So that's what metallic is for. Metallic reflects more the environment surrounding it. The smoothness is more like if the game object have a plain surface or have some noise attached to it. For example, ground will have a less smoothness value. Now it's your job to go around and mess up with these values and try it for yourself. We'll focus on the other aspects in future videos, so don't worry about that. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys learn how to create a material and attach it to the game object. In the future videos we'll take this to another level and maybe attach textures to it, create emission materials or transparent materials. Remember to leave a like and subscribe because that helped me out a lot. And thank you for watching. See you next time.